Don't apply for interviews if you can't solve this coding question. So given the roots of a binary tree, return a pre-order traversal of its node values. Let's say we're given this binary tree. If we perform a pre-order traversal, we visit the nodes in this order. Let's go over the direction of pre-order traversal. So we visit the root node first, and then the left subtree, and then the right subtree. In this solution, we will implement the iterative approach. We will create a stack to mimic the recursive call stack memory. Initially, we push the roots node into the stack. In each of the iteration, we will pop a node from the stack and then push the right child and then the left child. This will allow us to process the left child next. Let's implement the function pre-order traversal, taking the root of the tree. A roots is node, return an empty list, create our stack and our resulting list, push the roots node into the stack. While the stack is not empty, pop a node from the stack, add a node value to results, push the right child, push the left child, and then we can return results.